How to draw an isometric electric kettle. First, setting your canvas. Start with the circles on the top of the kettle. Separate layers for the circles, so you can use it for duplicating. Adding dimension and duplicate the circle and drag them down. It will be the base of the kettle, and then connect the top and the base with the lines, adding the kettle's mouth. And then adding the kettle handle. Erase the curved line at the base. Create a new layer and then add the kettle temperature control. It's done.